Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be fixing this fence post. It's rotten and it's snapped in the wind and the storm we had recently. So I bought a new 3-inch wide fence post and it's 2.4 meters long. I'm going to take off the old fence panels, remove the old post, dig out the old bit of concrete that it was set in, and then set the new post in place. Here are the items I'm going to use. The 3-inch by 2.4 meter fence post, a spirit level, a couple of spades, a long crowbar, a big bag of ballast, a bag of cement, an electric drill, tape measure, some string, a hammer, some screws, and a bucket to mix the ballast and the cement in. Okay, now to take off the fence panels. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I'll unscrew this broken bit of fence panel and then take that off. I'll need to fix it back on. As you can see, the fence panel broke and the end bit has come off. I can now see where the fence post is snapped. I'll just pull out the panels to make sure I've got enough space to work. I'm just going to measure how much of the fence post is sticking out of the ground. It's 190 centimetres or 1.9 metres that's actually sticking out of the ground. So I'll measure that on the new fence post and then I'm going to seal it just at the base of it with some wood preservative, as this is where the fence post tends to rot and snap. Hopefully this will help it to last a bit longer. It says 5 years protection, which would be great if that is the case, but I'm not sure how well it will hold up underground. I'll just paint this on and then let it dry. Okay, that's done. At least it's nice and sunny. I'll let it dry while I sort out the fence panels and mix the concrete. Let's move these panels out of the way. I'll fix this bit here first. I'll screw this back in. I'm using some decking screws. They're about 6 centimeter decking screws. That's all done. Now let's pull out the old fence post and dig out the earth. I'm using my crowbar to break this up. There's a big bit of concrete here. I'll smash it up and then I'll lever it out. It's nearly out. I'll get my hand in here and then just pull out the old bit of concrete, which has got the old bit of post in. Now I'll dig the hole out a bit deeper to make room for the new concrete. I'm going to dig it down about 60 centimetres and about 30 centimetres wide. That should be enough, as I've got around 50 centimetre post going in the ground here. That hole should be big enough now. Next, I'm going to put a couple of screws in each side of the neighbouring posts so I can run string across the top. This will help to get the height and the positioning of the new posts exactly right. Here's the string I'm going to be using. Okay, it's nice and tight from one post to the other. This is the new fence post that I painted, and I'm going to make sure the painted bit goes down into the hole. Okay, that's nice and level and straight. Now it's time to mix up the concrete. I'm using 5-to-1 mix, 5 parts ballast to 1 part cement. I've already got about half a litre of water in the bucket here, and I'll add a bit more as I go. I'll put the ballast in first, then the cement, and mix it with my spade. I'll keep the mix fairly firm so the post stays upright. Add a bit more water. Now I'll do one final check to make sure everything's level. Now I'll fill the hole with the concrete mix. I'm going to create a slight slope or benching on the top so that the water runs away from the post instead of sitting around it, which causes it to rot. Just one final check. That's it, the bubble's right in the middle, so it's perfectly level. Now I'll fill the rest of the hole with earth. Now I'll screw the fence panel back in place. That's one panel done. Now I just need to work out how to attach the other panel from the other side and then work out how I'm going to get back over the fence. Great, that's all done now. All that I need to do is just paint the post so it matches the rest of the fence. Well, that's another job done, and it's looking good. Here's the old fence post, the old bit of concrete. And here's a before, and here's an after shot. Well, you can see what it looks like before and what it looks like now. And you can see the damaged broken post, and now it's all fixed. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more videos.